Assalamu alaikum. From few days, there are uh, viral videos of Kashmiri girls who are pursuing their education outside Kashmir, and the illegal activities of their haram activities are viral on Facebook. And the Kashmiri girls who have haram relationship with the outsiders and non-Muslim boys, and they are doing wrong with them, and in which the latest a call recording was viral of a boy who is also taking education outside, and he was crying and asking illegal activities of the girls from Kashmir in outside. And you can check this photo too, in which Kashmiri girls who are taking education outside are taking selfies with these boys. And you might have seen the video in this clip. uh, the girls of Kashmiri girls who are so humiliated and now taking uh, alcohol, and they are drinking alcohol and taking videos of take drinking alcohol, and then they are uploading it on social media platforms. And this is what is going on nowadays in Kashmir, where the Kashmiri girls what they are doing outside. And parents should take care on these things. They